Hello, everyone, and good afternoon. Today is Sunday, June 8th, 2025, at 13:37. And today we have our day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. So, let's go ahead and see what we got for tomorrow. So, tomorrow, we've got one slight risk encompassing parts of Texas and New Mexico. And we have this big slight risk that encompasses parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and a little bit of New York State. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of Colorado, New Mexico, Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, up into New York State, Pennsylvania, Maryland, West Virginia, Virginia, North Carolina, and then coastal areas, and then a little bit of Georgia and a little bit of Florida too, having the marginal risk. So we do have the area tomorrow. So we have Charlotte, Nashville, Atlanta, Pittsburgh, and Lexington Fayette under the slight, and Houston, San Antonio, Columbus, Austin, and Memphis under a marginal. So let's go ahead and deep dive and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we've got a 2% encompassing parts of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, a little bit of North Carolina, South Carolina. And we do have this one up here. It's for parts of Ohio, a little bit of West Virginia, a little bit of Pennsylvania, and a little bit of New York State. So we do have those areas having a 2% tornado threat for tomorrow. We have Charlotte, Cleveland, Atlanta, Raleigh, and Pittsburgh under the 2% tornado risk for tomorrow. So we could see a brief EF0 tornado possible, maybe an EF1 if it does become strong enough. Going into the damaging wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that's for parts of New Mexico and Texas. And we have this outlook here, 15% also for parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, parts of South Carolina, North Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, a little bit of West Virginia, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and a little bit of New York State. We do also have this 5% that extends from Colorado, New Mexico, Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, a little bit of Mississippi, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, New York State, Pennsylvania, Maryland, West Virginia, Virginia, North Carolina, and parts of Georgia and Florida here too having a 5%. So we do have Charlotte, Nashville, Atlanta, Pittsburgh, and Lexington Fayette under the 15%, and Houston, Columbus, Austin, Memphis, and Baltimore under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow, and for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible. So that is a possibility for tomorrow. Going into the hail risk for tomorrow, we've got a 5% extending from a little bit of Colorado through New Mexico, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and a little bit of New York State. So we do have those areas under the 5% hail risk. So we have Houston, San Antonio, Columbus, Austin, and Nashville under the 5% for tomorrow. So we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible for tomorrow. So for the summary, it says scattered damaging winds, a couple tornadoes, and isolated severe hail are possible across the southeast into the upper Ohio Valley on Monday into Monday evening. So anyway, there you have it. There is the potential for tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 1 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. Even if you are in the marginal, please make sure you have a way of getting warned in case a storm does become severe. But anyway, it's going to be it for me today. Stay weather aware, stay safe, get prepared for tomorrow. I definitely would take today to prepare for tomorrow. But anyway, that's going to be it for me. We will be going over this outlook again tomorrow when it becomes day 1. But anyway, I hope you have yourselves a great day and take care, everyone.